Level 1. 0 views. You uploaded a few bad videos, got almost no views, and started wondering if YouTube had shadow banned your channel. You may have even created several new channels because you thought the algorithm was broken. But the truth is, your videos probably weren't interesting enough to make people click. If you're stuck at this stage, spend more time learning how to create better thumbnails and titles that make people curious. That alone can make a huge difference. Level 2. 2 views. You worked harder on your content and finally got a few real views that didn't come from sending your video to friends or family. At this stage, there are usually 2 types of creators. The first type gets discouraged because they didn't become famous overnight. They quit YouTube and blame it on too much competition. The second type sees those 2 views as proof that real people are finding their videos. If 2 people watched, then 20, 200, or even 2,000 people can watch too. If you're here, use those first organic views as motivation. Keep improving your thumbnails and make every video better than the last one. Level 3. 200 views. Now you're starting to climb the YouTube ladder. Your videos are improving and you're getting more views. But you're still trying to figure out how to reach your first 1,000 views. Again, you have 2 choices. You can get frustrated because you're not growing as fast as you expected, or you can realize that 200 real people chose to watch your video. That's a great achievement. At this point, look at every video you make. Write down what worked well and what didn't. Then, remove one weakness every time you create a new video. You're getting closer to real growth. Level 4. 1,000 views. Congratulations! You finally reached your first 1,000 views. This is the moment you realize YouTube isn't overcrowded. Over 1,000 people decided your video was worth watching. If you've reached this stage, don't change everything. Keep making the type of content that helped you reach 1,000 views and use that success as momentum to keep growing. Level 5. 10,000 views. Congratulations! Your hard work is finally paying off. You've improved with every upload, and one of your ideas connected with a much larger audience. You're probably getting close to monetization, or maybe you've already reached it. You're also building a loyal group of subscribers who will continue watching your content. Many creators slow down at this stage because they suddenly try completely different ideas. Instead, build on what's already working. Make more videos similar to the one that reached 10,000 views. Level 6. 100,000 views. Wow! You've reached 100,000 views on a video. Maybe it was a video you didn't expect to perform well, but it ended up taking off. Your excitement is at an all-time high, and depending on your niche, you could be earning good money. But you're not finished yet. Most creators at this stage go in one of 2 directions. The first group changes everything and loses the audience they worked so hard to build. The second group studies why the video succeeded and keeps creating similar content that their viewers already enjoy. If you reach this level, keep doing what worked. Even if every video doesn't get 100,000 views, you're building trust with your audience, and another big video can happen at any time. Level 7. 1 million views. Congratulations! You've reached 1 million views. By now, you've built a loyal audience that enjoys your content and keeps coming back for more. There's a good chance YouTube has become your full-time job, and you've created something truly successful. At this point, keep being yourself and continue making videos your audience loves. If you're still working through the earlier levels, don't give up. Every successful creator started there too.